kay nate? May lighter lang. Yeah. Huwag kayo paspuro na. Lighter.
Hello, may gabi din sa tanan. Ako din kay igagaw ni Wisi all the way from Mandawi City. And tonight, I just want to greet this young lady a happy birthday. I'm just thankful na cousin ako siya and we share the same humor. So, I hope all your birthday wishes will come true. Happy birthday once again.
Alright, thank you so much. Pakpakan na to ang ato first sa 18 candles. Alright, picture.
Okay, so mga gabi kanatong tanan. So ako dahil usa ko to sa Igagaw University, taga Babao Rock. So I would like to start my message with a greeting. So happy birthday, Wisi. Disilapsa na jud ka. So ano maka-remember pa ko kuyog jud mi maligo for me sa Likik Manaka. So karon kay dalaga na jud kayo siya. And so actually thankful na ako sa life ni Wisi kay Wisi is one of my closest cousins, one of my closest friends. So, makashare jud ko niya sa akong mga problema, akong mga kakilig moments, and maka-vent out sa akong mga frustrations. So, siya, thankful ko sa life jud ni Wisi, and thankful sa kaya igagaw na ko siya. And Wisi, as you start your endeavor as an adult, just remember, no, may times jud na things might not go your way. Just remember nga na, ko sa muli ko, kuya yung mga family, maka-share ka, maka-rant ka, and wala siya, if maka-encounter ka mga setbacks, ayaw ka disappoint Ryan, and always set your heart ablaze. Thank you. Enjoy your night.
Alright, pakpakan sa community. What a wonderful message to our debutants.
Agaw pero silingan ni kanang happy 18th birthday Ate Wisi. Wishing you all the best in life and good luck sa imong journey sa college and stay pretty, stay smart and kind. Good health lang always.
Alright. Always good health is the best message to our debutants. Can we have reading before you go?
Ngayong gabi sa tanan, igagaw din kong wish niya. Akong wish niya, kanang malipay siya sa iyang next journey and makabot niya yung tanang pangandoy and stay pretty. Happy birthday.
Okay, stay pretty. Thank you so much. Ang regalo yan. And may I call on Loving Bariko. Miss Loving Bariko. Thank you so much, and may I call on to Reese Fuentes.
Hi everyone, I am Lucy's childhood best friend. And first, happy birthday. Dito ka pala ako, nakabala ka. First of all, we've been together since countless years. And you always been my soul sister. And know that I am always been here through ups and downs, always and forever, your judgmental best friend. Happy birthday!
Alright, thank you so much, ma'am. Can we have Mary Irene Sedego?
Good evening, everyone. So, first, I just want to say happy 18th birthday, Wisi. So, to let everyone know, Wisi is one of my friends who helped me survive my senior high school journey. Yes, yeah, yung giagwanta akong batasan, like, she is such a good friend to me nga bisag I always disconnect with my friends pero siya kinaarag hapon siya, and I am so very thankful. And for your future journey, I wish that you will be happy and let God lead you always. God bless you always.
Alright, a round of applause, please. Thank you so much, Mary.